Whatever problem you're trying to solve for your business, video is the answer. Do you want to boost sales? Make a video. Do you want to attract top talent? Make a video. Do you want people to stay engaged and retain what you're telling them? Make a video. Here at Angela Wolf Video, we give personality to your content. Whether you want to increase brand awareness, sell products and services, or create an online course, video is the way to do it. Video gets 12 times the amount of shares than text and image content combined. So it's no wonder why 86% of brands use video as a marketing tool. But how do you create a video? Well, you could ask one of your employees to drop everything they are doing, learn a completely new skill, and spend weeks creating a shaky iPhone video. No? All right, well, how about purchase thousands of dollars worth of equipment? You can then hire a team of full-time employees and create a video department at your company. That's great if you have an extra couple $100,000 in your budget to spend each year. But what if you don't? Angela Wolf Video works with small to mid-sized companies to handle all of their video needs. We offer pay-per-project rates, so you only pay for the videos you need. Our experienced team has the flexibility to create videos quickly and professionally. I work closely with each client to create a video that fits their business needs while fulfilling their creative vision, whether it's creating 30-second social media content, live streaming a corporate event, or making a brand video for your website. You know, like what you're watching right now. Angela Wolf Video can take your project from idea to finished video. Fill out the inquiry form on our homepage and we'll prepare a free quote for your project. Is video right for your brand? You have to admit, this video was way more engaging than reading a wall of text. Give personality to your content with Angela Wolf Video.